Hello, what's your name?
My name is Bobby.
Bobby. Hello, Bobby. How are you today? I'm happy. Yes, good job. How old are you, Bobby? I'm 4 years old. I'm 4 years old. Good job, Bobby. Okay, Bobby, look at the picture and tell me what color is this?
White.
White. Good job. And the next color?
Purple.
Purple. Good job. And the next is the
Orange.
orange. Good. And is it red?
White.
Okay, now it's black. Good. And the next is color?
Yellow.
Yellow. Good job. And the next is color?
Blue.
Blue. Good. And this is the
Green.
green. Okay. The next picture is color?
White.
Gray. Good job. Okay. Puppy, point for me. Where is color green? Green. Where is green? Green. Here. Yeah. Where is blue? Yeah. Good job. And what color is this?
Red.
Red. Good. And the next is the
Brown.
brown. Good job. And this color?
Pink.
Pink. Okay. Where is pink? Where is the color pink? Yeah. Good job. Where is red? Red. Red. Where is color red? Good job. Okay. Okay, Puppy. What's this?
Yellow.
Table. Good job. And the next is the
Green.
a book.
Blue.
Book.
Blue.
Yeah. What color is this?
Pink.
What color is this?
Orange.
Orange. Good job. And this is the
Gold.
ball. Good job. Do you like to play ball?
Yeah.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Good job, Puppy. And the next picture is the
Battle.
it's the pencil. Good job. And the next is the
Car.
yeah, yes, the car. And then is the
Yeah.
teddy bear.
Jelly
Good
bear.
job. And okay, Puppy. And look at the picture and tell me what's this?
Buddy.
Family. Good. It's the family. And who is this?
Battle.
Grandpa.
Battle.
Yeah, grandpa. And the next picture is the
Battle.
grandma.
Battle.
Yeah, grandma. And who is this?
Yeah.
Dad. Do you love dad? Do you love dad? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. And who is it?
Yeah.
Mom.
Mom.
Yeah, good job. And
Wow.
brother. So good. Yeah, brother and
Little.
sister. Yeah, good job. And the last is the
Baby.
baby. Good job, Puppy. Okay, Puppy, what shape is this?
Doggo.
Circle. What color is this circle?
Doggo.
What color is this?
Blue.
Blue circle. And the next is the
Square.
square. What color is this?
Green.
Green. Good job. And the next, what shape is this?
Wallow.
Triangle. What color is this triangle?
Orange.
Orange. Okay, very good, Puppy. Okay, Puppy. What's this?
Apple.
Apple. What color is this apple?
Apple.
What color is this?
Red.
Red and
Green.
yeah, red and green. And the next picture is
Banana.
banana. How many banana are there in the picture?
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, good job. 3 banana. Very good, Puppy. Okay, Puppy, what's this?
Mango.
Mango. What color is this? What color is this?
Green. Yellow.
Yellow and
Green.
green. Good job. How many mangoes are there in the picture?
1, 2.
2 mango. Very good. And the next is the
Bear.
yeah, pear. What color is this?
Green.
Green. Good job. And the next picture is the ball. Okay, good job, Papi. Goodbye.